you remember what? Can you remember what he said, Rubes? Move forwards. Ruben, push them forwards.
That's it. Cobbs!
Forwards.
Cobb!
Corbin.
He's not quite with it. And push him forwards. That's it. Sarah, run out the way. Probably. Ruben's pretty fast. Corbin is in orbit. The world.
Push them forwards.
Rubes, push forwards.
You bump into Corbin. You have to show him how to do it. He doesn't know. He's brave, isn't he? Corbin.
Look at Ruben's face.
Look at Corbin's face. Push them forwards.
That's it.
Forwards. What's the matter with him?
I don't know, he's like the slowest kid in the world. Push it harder, Corbin. Picked up to 2 miles per hour.
Look at Ruben, he said go backwards.
Oh, there we go. Found some speed there.